All right, here we go. Now we're on to side control. This will be the next block that we're looking for proficiency in. So again, talking to you coaches and parents, looking to demonstrate side control from the offensive position that I'm using this position right here, okay? So what I'm looking for is a base understanding of the basic position of side control. Arm under the head, arm under the far side arm, which is an underhook, and then we're gonna lock a grip right here, okay? Additionally, we wanna make sure that they have a proper understanding of what the actual body positioning is. So often we see stuff like this, we see this, okay? Or any measure of in between where they have their legs kind of messed up. Sometimes we see some of this, okay? We wanna make sure that they're up on their toes or down with dead feet is kind of acceptable too, depending on, so don't be too hard on that. As long as we're up and we're solid here, and they demonstrate an ability to maintain this position. As we progress up into the ranks, we'll start working on changing hand positions and advancing. But for right now, we want to make sure they understand this point. Shoulder's going to go into the chin and turn the head the opposite direction, because as long as the head's turned the opposite direction, they can't turn in, okay? Now, additionally, the one thing we're looking to do here and to make sure they understand is how to advance to the mounted position. So we're looking to see that they understand the timing and the position to slide the knee across and go to the mounted position. Additionally, it's okay for them to pull the leg down and throw the leg over to achieve the mounted position. We're not going to be too tough on either one of them. Okay. Now for defensive, side control, the main thing over on the technical aspect of this, there was several techniques that they can choose from on how to escape side control. As a coach, as a parent, what we want to make sure that we see here is they have a demonstrated ability to move their feet, to lift and shrimp out. Those are going to be the most important aspects that they understand. And that they also understand the importance of trying to get a hand into our major control positions. Now, these are easy concepts to teach. It doesn't take long for it to become muscle memory. We want to make sure that they're not reaching over the back, that they're not reaching over the arm, that they're actively trying to get their hand inside, and that they're actively trying to frame away against their opponent. And moreover, this elbow, that they understand that it needs to be pulled down and inside the hip, okay? We also want to make sure they understand the concept of elevating to create space, and then the basics of the shrimp drill and trying to get that bottom side knee back inside. Okay, those are the basics of what we're looking for. We don't have to be super hard on them, but we need to make sure that when they're rolling, we see they have a demonstrated ability to frame out, that they know they need to get to their sides and try to get their bottom knee inside.